Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine the measure of consensus using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My add-in is available on my GitHub account, so here's the link to that. And you can just download the file, open it with open Excel. Don't open it with Excel, but just open Excel. Go to File, Options, Add-ins, and then Go. Click on that Go button, browse, and open the downloaded file. You should then have a lot of additional functions available, including a measure called ME for measures underscore consensus. This measure takes two inputs, the data, which should be a vertical range, and then not the entire column. So don't go column A, but really column cell A2 till A955, for example. Make it slightly larger for you, perhaps that's easier. And if the data is not numeric, you can still use this, but then you do need to provide the levels. So a list of the levels again, which should be a small vertical range. So here's an example of using the function on numerical data. I just used ME consensus and then selected the entire range of A2 to 955, and it immediately returns the measure of consensus. I can also specify the levels and then use column B, for example. So here I've actually used column B as my input, and the levels are these. And that gives me the exact same result, of course, but now I base it on non-numerical data. 0.0 would have been no consensus at all, 1 perfect consensus, so 51 is just about in the middle there. I haven't found any rules of thumb for this measure, so if you do, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and hope this video was helpful.